In this video, I'm going to demo how to use the restaurant application from a customer perspective. First, you need to go to this website, https maproot.net. If you want to make a payment online, you need to log in as a registered user. I'm going to log in as this user. To register, you only need an email address, a valid email address. Accept the consent. And after you log in, there are two different ways to find the restaurant. The first is from the live map. You go to the live map and you select a country, like Canada, Ontario, PO. The category will be service. And if you want to use restaurants, the subcategory is okay. You can find, okay, there's a restaurant here in Mississauga, and you click this restaurant. You can see the restaurant name. This is the name of the restaurant, the user ID of the restaurant, and the service restaurant. And you can send a private message, or you can just hit peer site. You go to the peer site, you can see this is a website. There's a menu for this website. You have home, about, and catalog, which is online order interface. The other way, if you know the restaurant name, user ID, you don't need to every time go to the live map to search. You can just use this user ID. You just enter the restaurant, for example. Yeah, the name is the restaurant menu, we just found out. And you can click the site and you come here. For most users, if you have favorite restaurants, what you can do is you can save the URL for each restaurant. For example, you can use user ID equal to restaurant menu, and you can enter to this restaurant website as well. So the first thing first, like you see, this is the home page. You have some general information about this restaurant. And if you want to go to the online catalog, you just click this home button, this icon, and then you click catalog. This is all the items served by this restaurant. And you can basically add items into your shopping cart. You can select multiple as well. For example, I want to add 2 items of this item. So you can see we have 3 dishes in the shopping cart, and this one got 2 actually. And this is subtotal plus tax, and this is total. The next step, you can continue shopping. You click here, you can come back, you can add more into your shopping cart. Now we have 4. Then the next step will be checkout. If you click checkout, it gives you an option to pick up. At this moment, it's only pick up. We're gonna add delivery later on if we figure out how to make this business model works for a restaurant. This is the restaurant address. You pick up. You can choose the pickup time, now or 5 minutes later, 10 minutes later, blah blah. Like say, I'm just go to the food court and I just ordered. I want to get the food as soon as possible. You can select now. Additional information, for example, I don't want spicy food, or I'm in the restaurant like at table 8. I can just say, okay, I'm on the table 8, so the food will be delivered to the table 8. The next step will be payment. You can choose payment options by clicking this payment button. There's a multiple payment method, but for this particular restaurant, it's only available is pay on pickup or using Braintree sandbox account to pay. This is only for demo purpose. If I selected on pickup and just click payment, you can see I got the order ID as well as the passcode. Yeah, for customers, you just need to remember your order ID and the passcode. Maybe the restaurant will ask you the passcode in order to confirm you are the right guy who ordered or to pay it. After this, you can just close. The other option to make payment is through the online payment. Yeah, this is not cleared, but the latest application, the shopping cart after you finish, is all cleared. As a demo purpose, I want to make another payment option available. So I go to checkout. If I don't pick up time, you'll get error message because you have to pick up time. Let's say now, and make payment. The payment will be this time I'm using Braintree. You can see you can pay by credit card at this moment. Like I'm gonna use a credit card number. This is a test credit card, and you can go back to payment option to select another option, or you can just click buy. This makes payment available to the backend API already. And after this, you can still choose another payment from a Braintree. But if you accept this payment, you can just click summary. Then you get order ID and the passcode, just like the first one. So this is how to use the restaurant application. I'm gonna extend this application to retailers, small retailers, as well as the farmers, just trying to help them to bring their product online so that they can still do their business after the pandemic or even the pandemic is not completely gone. Thank you. Bye-bye.